guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aggy and today we are going to be making this super delicious carrot cake without an oven. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe so that you're able to refer to this video anytime you want to make this super delicious carrot cake. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to leave a comment in case you have any questions regarding this video. And let's get on with the video. You're going to need 3 carrots, and I'm using 4 because these other 2 are really small. And you're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour. You're also going to need a tablespoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3/4 cup of cooking oil, and 3/4 cup of sugar. So the first step is to wash, peel and chop your carrots, and then in a blender you're going to add the carrots, and then you're going to add the cooking oil, and then the sugar. You're also going to add vanilla essence, and you're also going to add your 3 eggs. And then you're going to cover your blender and you're going to blend until everything is properly blended, like you can't see like the large particles of the carrots. And the next step is to transfer your blended mixture into a clean bowl. And then you're going to set the bowl aside, and you're going to get another clean bowl, and in that clean bowl you're going to add your wheat flour and your baking powder and just mix until everything is well incorporated. And then the next step is to mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients as I'm doing in the video. And you're going to add your flour in 2 installments. So this is the first installment. You're going to mix it up a little bit, and then you're going to add in your second installment. And then you're going to continue mixing until everything is well incorporated. And remember not to overmix. The next step is to grease your baking tin, and then you're going to pour your butter into the baking tin, and then you're going to tap your baking tin to release the large air bubbles. So you shake it and give it a little bit of a tap. So the next step is to create an oven. You're going to get a big saucepan, and then you're going to put a lid inside as I'm doing. That will act as a stand. And then the next process is to put your baking tin with your mixture inside, and then you're going to cover, and then you're going to place something a little bit heavy so that the excess moisture doesn't escape. And then you're going to bake it for 40 minutes. And if you want to know that your cake is ready, or when your cake is ready, is when you insert a knife, it comes out clean. That way you'll be able to know that your cake is now ready. And as you can see, our cake is super delicious. It's now very ready, and I hope that you guys are going to try out this recipe. This recipe is super easy, and I hope that you guys are going to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment in case you have any questions. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Say what you wanna say.